how to recover deleted WhatsApp call history. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp call history, whether you deleted it by accident or need to restore it after switching phones. I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, WhatsApp doesn't back up call logs separately. They're included in your chat backup. So, to recover it, let's restore it. To do that, simply open your File Manager app. Now, simply tap on Storage if you have internal storage, or you can simply tap on internal storage itself. From there, simply tap on Android. Go to Media. From there, simply tap on com.whatsapp. Here, go to WhatsApp, databases, and all you need to do is simply copy all of these files that you have, which are basically your databases. Now, all you need to do is simply tap on copy. Now, simply go back and tap on backups and simply paste all those documents over here. Once you do that, simply open your WhatsApp, and that's how you can recover deleted WhatsApp call history.